Hola, buenos días. Soy Ruth. Hoy es día 61 of 100 Days of Spanish, which is a series to help you absorber un poco de español that you can then copiar para que puedes hablar español. That's the idea. These last few days we've been doing direcciones, and so let's go over that a little bit. The word for we did is hicimos. What a lovely word. Hicimos. Ayer hicimos toma la segunda calle a la derecha. Hicimos sigue la calle hasta el museo. And we did encontrar, which is to find or to meet. Hemos is we have. Hemos encontrado el supermercado, la farmacia, el museo, la iglesia, which was the church, and the petrol station, la gasolinera. So today I'd like to teach you 2 words and 2 tricks. Let's start with the 2 words. 2 words are close and far away. Cerca is close. So maybe a circle keeps you close, I don't know. Cerca. And far is lejos. So maybe you have to use your horse to go far. Lejos. Spelled with a J. Lejos. And there's a lovely song, a children's song that goes cerquita, which is a cute way of saying cerca. Cerquita, 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 and all the children draw together, and then muy lejos, and they all go far apart. So it's like a big circle of niños. Cerquita, 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 muy lejos. And you could do it with just un niño. If you've got a little bebé or a little child, draw them cerca and then push them away muy lejos. So those are your 2 words. Somebody might ask you, or you might ask somebody, maybe you need some dinero, some money. So then you could say, hay un telebanco por aquí. Está cerca, is it close? Or está lejos, is it far away? Maybe you need to relajar. Maybe you've got a picnic and you want un parque. So you could ask, ¿hay un parque cerca de aquí? Or you might say, ¿hay un parque por aquí? And then you might want to follow up with a question, ¿está lejos? Is it far? Bien. Now I want to teach you 2 trucos. And this is for when people ask you directions. First, let me tell you the word for nose in Spanish is nariz. Okay, nariz. And the 2 words no sé mean I don't know. Okay? Right. So if you ask in Spanish, what's the word nariz en inglés, you could answer no sé. I've got a book, Jokes to Help You Learn Spanish. So you can learn loads of Spanish from this book. It's in print and it's on Kindle. I recommend it. It's not very much money. It's about 110 pages, and it's a bit of fun. So what's the word for nariz en inglés? No sé. Bien. So that's my first truco. If somebody asks you directions, perdón, señora, hay un gasolinera por aquí. you can respond using español, but not get into direcciones complicadas by saying, no sé exactamente. It's over there. And how do you say it's over there? Está por ahí. One of my favorite words. Over there. Allí. I love it. Está por ahí. Okay? Try one more time. A lady asks you, is there a supermarket near here? Hay un supermercado cerca de aquí? I don't know, it's over there. No sé exactamente, pero está por allí. Bien? Okay. Last thing is the second truco, el segundo truco. And this is when we had yesterday. Siga la calle hasta el museo. Está detrás del museo. Or we had tome la segunda calle a la derecha. So when we're using the usted form, we're saying tome la segunda calle and siga la calle hasta el final. And when we're using the to form, we're saying toma la primera calle a la izquierda y sigue la calle hasta la iglesia y la farmacia está detrás de la iglesia. Now for me, one word is much the same as another. So if I'm doing take the street and follow the street with the to form, and I'm doing toma la calle, sigue la calle, it makes no difference to me. I don't care. Me da igual. It makes no difference. But some people get into the complicaciones. So here's your second trick. You can just say you have to. And you have to is so lovely. It's great because if you're using the to form, it's TNS. Bien? 3 letters. TNS. Tienes que tomar la segunda calle. You have to take the second street. And if you're making it formal, the 3 letters become TNA. Tiene que tomar la segunda calle a la derecha. Bien. Y tiene que seguir la calle hasta la iglesia. Y la farmacia está detrás de la iglesia. So there you have it. 2 words, cerca, lejos. 2 tricks, no sé, and tienes que tomar la segunda calle. And that's all I have to say about directions, except for maybe you'd like to look at video 25, day 25 of 100 Days of Spanish, where we're catching a taxi. And the words are quiero ir. Why not? Quiero ir al museo. And then you don't need directions, you can just get a taxi. Bien, hasta mañana, porque mañana we're going to talk about meeting up, un amigo, making plans and making arrangements. So that'll be fun to do. If you like these videos, por favor, like them, share them freely with amigos who want to aprender un poco de español. And I always ask you, if you haven't already, could you please subscribe to my channel? It would help me. Muchas gracias y hasta mañana. Adiós.